Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I'm Sanjay Tomar, your maths mentor, and today guys, we are here to discuss the important topic of compound interest for the mains, which students really trouble about, which students really worry about, and that is the topic guys what we are going to start today. Hello Harika, hello Shrivani, hello Ram Gurjar. A very good afternoon to all. Very good afternoon to all guys. I hope I'm clearly audible, visible. Yeah. Good afternoon, Samiksha. So good to have you all over here. Kindly do one more thing. Please do the sharing part as well, guys, so that maximum of the students could join us. And this session is going to be again a very important role, will play a very crucial role, guys, in your CI problem solving in the upcoming mains examinations. Yeah, that is, I can say. Good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, so good to have you all over here. I don't think so that I need to tell the formulas and all. Yeah, you all are like appearing mains in the next few days. So it's better we start with the problems only. However, if you find something we can discuss on. Okay. Very calculative. Yeah, exactly. A person borrowed 32,000 at a yearly 9% simple interest and deposited the same amount in a bank at a compound interest of 10%. What is the gain at the end of 3 years? Borrowing 32,000 at the rate of 9% simple interest and lending it to at a compound interest rate of 10% for 3 years. Borrowing at 9% for 3 years and lending at 10% CI for 3 years. Simple interest is 9% rate, 3 years is the time. So 27% is the simple interest. And how to calculate the effective compound interest? It's the effective of 10, 10 and 10. It's the effective of 10, 10 and 10. We already know that it is 33.1%. Effective of 10, 10, 10 is 33.1%. Why? 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 upon 100. 21 from here, then 21 and 10. Effective is 33.1%. How much is the gain? 6.1%. So 6.1% of the principal is the gain. 6.1% of the principal is the gain. So 6.1% of principal. What is 6%? 2 zeros less. 320 into 6. 1920. And what is 0.1%? 1%, 0.1%. 10%, 1%, 0.1%. 32 rupees. Is it clear to all, guys? Come on, do it. 6%, 1920, 0.1%, 32 rupees. 6%, 1920. Yeah. 1920 and 0.1%, 32. You can go for unit digit as well. Yeah. You can go for unit digit as well. Like, I need not to tell now. 6.1 upon 100 of 32,000. Unit digit of 2. Next question. Each question we will solve it with a different color here. The amount received at the end of second year and third year at a compound interest on a certain principal is 3020 and 33275 respectively. What is the rate of interest? So you will say a principal of P will become 30250 in 2 years and it will become 33275 in 3 years. So how much it increased in the last year? How much it increased in the last year? 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 3025. There is an increment of 3025 in the last year. Now this increment of 3025 over this principal. Because in the compound interest, amounts become the principal after every year. Yeah, amounts become the principal after every year. So this 3025 interest you have received over 30250. What is the rate we will get it? What is the rate we will get it? It's 10%. Clear? Clear, guys? Come on, tell me. So we are now like, you all are prepared now for actual questions to start. Okay. So let's begin. However, I'm not saying that it's going to be very difficult, but still. It's the same question like the previous one. Is it the same question like the previous one? First tell me, is it the same question as the previous one? Okay. No. Here the compound interests are given. This is not the amount. This is the compound interest of the second year. This is the compound interest of the second year and the third year. Okay, values are same. So make it 31,000. So this is the compound interest, not the amount. This is the compound interest, not the amount. CI for second year. this much. CI for third year. Can I say CI increasing by 10% every year? Can I say CI increasing by 10% every year? 3300 plus 330 increasing by 10%, increasing by 10%, increasing by 10%, increasing by 10% means from 10 becoming 11. So CI of first year and CI of second year would also be in the ratio 10:11. CI of first year and CI of second year would also be in the ratio 10:11. 11 is 3300. So 10 is 3000. CI of first year is known. CI of first year is known. Now we already know that for the first year CI is same as SI. For the first year CI is same as SI. So 3000 is the interest. What is the principal? Rate is time. First year 1 year divided by 100. So 30,000. Please do watch out, and if there is any kind of error, do let me know. I can write 10% of it, but still, learning is also important, other than doing. Come on, guys, tell me, is it clear? From here, we observe that interest is increasing by 10%. If interest is increasing by 10%, this means rate is 10%. 10% means 1 by 10. So if the previously it was 10, then the next year it is 11. So CI of first year and second year would also be in the ratio 10:11. 11 is known, 10 is 3000. CI for the first year is same as the SI. CI for first year is same as the SI. CI for the first year is same as the SI. So 3000 is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Or you can say, sir, if CI for first year is 3000, then principal is, this is 10% of the principal. This is 10% of the principal. So P by 10 is 3000. P is 30,000. Do whatever you like. Do whatever you like. Yeah, great questions. Let's move on. Total of 12,050 rupees. One at 10% simple interest for 2 years. Another at same rate compound interest for the same time. 2 parts. One at simple interest, another at compound interest. Let the first part is P1 and the second part is P2. First part is at 10% per annum for 2 years. So can I say you will get 20% interest from here? You will get 20% interest from here because it's a simple interest. Because it's a simple interest. Now, 10% for 2 years. How much is the compound interest? 21% is the compound interest. Now we have to check. Now we have to check whether the amounts are given equal or the interest are given equal. The amounts are given equal. The amounts are given equal, not the interests. So, what would be the amount? I think add the P1 as well. So 120% of P1 is the amount. And 121% of P2 is the amount. They are equal to each other. They are equal to each other. Percentage of cancel out. So P1 upon P2 is equal to 121 upon 120. P1 upon P2 is equal to 121 upon 120. So part 1 and part 2 is in this ratio. Compound interest part is 120. So you have to find out the value of 120. So it's 120 over 241 into 12050. This should be a multiple, 5 times. Please do watch out. If there is any issues, do let me know. If there are any issues, do let me know. Interests are not given equal. The amounts are given equal. So we need to take care of this point. We need to take care of this point, guys. Interests are not equal. Amount is given equal. Is it clear? Is it clear? Then move on. Guys, that mensuration question is also, I have to discuss it maybe today or maybe tomorrow. Yeah. However, I have not seen it as of now. $2,400 become $3,600 in 6 years. What is the amount after 12 years? $2,400 becomes $3,600 in 6 years. What is the amount after 12 years? $2,400 becomes $3,600 in 6 years. What is the amount after 12 years? So can I say 6 more years? What is the value after 6 more years? Yeah. If this time period is same, they increases in the same ratio. If this time period is same, they increases in the same proportion. The correct word would be they increases in the same proportion. So as of now, they have changed in the ratio 2:3. As of now, they have changed in the ratio 2:3. So again, they will change in the ratio 2:3. So again, they will change in the ratio 2:3. 2 is 3,600. So 3 is 5,400. Some people write it like this as well. The initial ratio is 3,600 upon 2,400. And that should be equal to the final ratio. That is also very, very cool. 2 times 3 times 2 is 18. So question mark is 5,400. Better by both? Better by both? I hope so. This is like style mein rehne ka, and this is the same thing. This is like a mathematics, and this is like a style mein rehne ka. Okay. Okay. $15,000 lended at 16% per annum. Compound interest for the second year, compound interest for the third year difference. What is the difference between the compound interest for the second year and compound interest for the third year? $15,000 is lended at 16% compound interest. What is the difference between the compound interest of second year and third year? Guys, no methods whatsoever. Yeah, no methods whatsoever. If you like, guys, you can do that tree and all. But yeah, why not calculate by the gem method only? Why not calculate by the gem method only? Yeah. CI for first year is 16% of principal. CI for first year is 16% of principal, which is about $2,400. Which is about $2,400. What is going to be the CI for second year? $2,400 plus 16% more. $2,400 plus 16% more. Just once more, guys. I promise you, I will not tell you to find it once more. 20 minus 4, 20 plus 4. 400 minus 16. 400 minus 16 is the 384. What is CI of third year? This value plus 10%, like 16% of this. Better, guys, write it down it completely. Better write it down it completely. This value plus 16% extra. This value plus 16% extra. Guys, if it is about finding the difference of C3 and C2, then this term is going to get cancelled out. If it is about finding the difference of C3 and C2, then this term will get cancelled out. Only the answer is 16% of 2784. Only the answer is 16% of 2784. 16% of 2784. 7 4 is 24. Yeah. Then when you solve it, I think you will get 445.44. Clear? We can do it by one more way if you want. We can do it by one more way, guys, if you want. Tree method. Do you want to see the tree? Tree method. Should I do by the tree as well, guys? Should I do it by the tree as well? Let me discuss it. Let me discuss it. Tree starts from rate. Tree starts from rate. Where does it start? It starts from rate. So its fraction is 16 by 100, 4 by 25. Assume principal as 25 ka cube. However, take it 15 only. Take it 15,000 only. I will not assume it. Draw 3. So 3 is simple interest are 4 by 25 of it. What is 4 by 25 of 15,000? 25 6 ja 150. 2400. Sorry, 2400. On the second year, the extra compound interest is 4 by 25 of 2400. That is 25 9 ja 225. 150. 384. And how many are these components, guys? How many are these components? 3. And the last component is, these are being called as A. And the last component is B. You will calculate 16% of this. You will component 16% of this. So the difference between the CI of 2 year, this is the CI of 2 year. This is the CI of 2 year. And this is the CI of 3 year. This component will get cancelled out. Only these two will remain. When you calculate 16% of this 384, you will get 10% as 38.4 and 6% as 5% is like 19.2 and 1% is about 3.8. So this will cancel out, answer is this. But मुझे तो लगता है jam was good. But guys, I feel like that jam was good. What do you feel like? What do you feel like, guys? Is jam was good or it was good? However, from the tree you can learn only one thing. From the tree you can only learn one thing, and that thing is this diagram of P SI 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 A B. So the irony is, the great thing is that SI is R% of principal, A is R% of SI, and B is R% of it. That is the irony, guys. This is the logic. ये है कमाल. Like if you will start from 1000 from here, then at the rate of 10%, it will become 100, 100, 100. Then again 10%, 1 by 10, it will become 10, 10, 10. Then again, guys, this will give you like 1 by 10, 1. Wow. So that is why SI is 300 and CI is 331. That is why SI is 300 and CI is 330. Something can be learned from here as well, guys. Something can be learned from here as well. Yeah. If there is a will, there is always a way out. What is the difference between the compound interest for the first year and what is the difference between the compound interest for the third year and the fourth? Now, guys, there is no point going for tree because we generally don't make the tree for 4 years. We generally make the tree for 3 years. So the only option left with you is good at gem method. The only option left for you is now become good at gem method with me. If this question will come, guys, only gem can save you. Only gem can save you. Trees will scattered away. Trees will scattered away and like go in the asman. 18,000 rent, 10% per annum. First year you will get 1800 CI. First 100 you will get 1800 CI. Second year you will get 10% more. So 180 more. 1980. Third year you will get 10% more. That is 198 more. Two 178. And fourth year you will get 10% more. And fourth year you will get 10% more. Harshit, that was very long. You will regret it. Harshit, you will regret it. See, the difference between CI of 3 and CI of 4 is only this. Isn't it, Harshit? Jam is the best. Yeah. CI for first year is 1800. CI for second year is 1800 plus 180. CI for third year is like 1980 plus 198, 10% more. So finally, the CI for fourth year is 10% more. So 217. So 217.8, yeah? Chalo, then it's cool. Then it's cool. ₹30,000, 15% per annum rate, 2 by 3 years, interest compounded yearly. What is the interest? Acha, rate percent tha. No, this is you are talking about, Ram, CI for 3 years, CI for 4 year. CI for 3 years, CI for 4 year. We were interested in the CI for third year and CI for fourth year. Mind the difference. Right? Yes, sir. I got it. This is CI for 3 years, CI for 4 years. We were interested in the CI for third year and CI for fourth year. However, in this case as well, the difference is the only, that is what we were looking for. Like, what do you say? CI for 4 year minus CI of 3 year is the compound interest for the fourth year, yeah? We will get the compound interest for fourth year only. Okay. But there they were asking about the compound interest of fourth year minus compound interest of third year. Understand the difference. Compounding done yearly. First year 15%, second year 15%, and third year 2 by 3 year. So 2 by 3 of 15%. 10%. So third year you will get 10%. Third year you will get 10%. 15% is 3 by 20. It is 3 by 20. It is 1 by 10. In the first year, 20 will become 23. In the second year, 20 will become 23. In the third year, 10 will become 11. So overall 4,000 will become. 23 ka square 529. 529 into 11. 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 8. 5819. 5819. Okay. Now, principal 4,000 is given as 30,000. So, 1 is 30 by 4, 15 by 2. How much is the interest? 1814. How much is the interest? 1819. So 1819 into 15 by 2. Or better write it as 30 by 4 only. Better write it as 30 by 4 only. That would be easy in the calculations. Sorry. Please don't go away the solution. Oh my God. Oh my God. 4,000 has become 5819 So interest is 1819. So interest is 1819. 4,000 is given as 30,000. 1 is 30 by 4. So 1819 is 1819 into 30 by 4. 4 4 just 16. 31, 4 7 ja 28. 4 7 ja 28, 39. 4 9 ja 36. Into 30. Multiplication by 3 is very easy. Multiplication by 3 is very easy. Take lena. What is the answer? What is the answer? See, do I need to cross check it once more? चलो देख लेते हैं एक बार और. First multiply it by 30. First multiply it by 30. 3. Now divide it. 4 1 ja 4. 14. 4 3 ja 12. 25. 4 6 ja 24. 17. 4 4 ja 16. 10. 4 2 ja 8. That is more easy. You should have taken this way. First multiplying by 30, then dividing by 4. So these ways also sometimes plays a very crucial role. These ways also sometimes plays a very crucial role. First multiply by 30, then divide by 4. It will become little bit less calculative and little bit more better. The complete solution was on the previous page. The complete solution was on the previous page. That is already available. That is already available for you. Ho ho. Nothing. Nothing. Amount. This is a question of amount, which is the easiest question. This is the question of amount, which sometimes becomes the easiest question. P becomes 29160 in 2 years, and it becomes 3149.8 in 3 years. In 2 years, in 3 years. So in 1 year it has changed from. 31492.8 minus 29160. 233.8. It's less than 10%. It's less than 10%. And it's also not looking 4%. So this would be the answer. Yeah. Yeah, this is not the 4%. Yeah, 4% means less than half. 4% means less than half. What is half of it? 1450? It's not less than, it's not 4%, yeah. 4% means less than half. It's not like half of it. Or maybe like half, like 10% is 2916. So it should only be 8%, neither 4, neither 18, neither 13. Very common sense. So we would not be wasting the time in calculating it. Guys, how much this, then multiplying by 100, because it will kill our time. It will kill our time. We will observe a bit. We will observe a bit. That 2332.8 can be what percentage of this? You know 10% is 2916, 10%. So obviously less than 10%. Obviously less than 10%. But 5% is going to be like 1400 something. So more than 5%. So this is also. That is what I expect, guys. Is my expectations are too much? Guys, that is what I expect. Is my expectations are too much? Still excited? Or should we wind up after this? I think we should wind up after this, yeah? Because tomorrow also a 1.5 or maybe a 2-hour session on compound interest. Tomorrow also I will take up a 2-hour or maybe a 1.5 or maybe like 1.75 hour session on the compound interest. So after watching these 2 sessions, guys, you can go for the examination without any doubt. Hai na? Just while watching these 2 sessions, guys, you can directly sit in the examination. No need to revise anything else. No need to do anything else. So you can say, oh, my compound interest is ready. I'm exam ready to sit in the compound interest. I'm exam ready to sit in the exam. Compounding is done 8 monthly. Arey Ram yaar, haan. But Ram, I need to see once more na, in the pen paper mode. If I will again pick up on the smart board, I need to do it once in the pen and paper, yeah? So just give me one more day. Tomorrow I'm meeting you at 10 a.m. Yeah? Tomorrow I'm meeting you at 10 a.m. So most probably, we will see out today, yeah? Because pen paper is where the skills comes most. Not on the smart board. Smart board also comes, but pen paper is like what we are being brought up with here. What we are being brought up with. 8 monthly. So rate is per annum. So 8 monthly is 8 by 12 or 15%. 10%. 10% per 8 monthly. How many 8 monthly in 2 years? 2 years is 24 months. So 3. So 10% per 8 monthly for 3. So you can say 10%, 10%, 10%. Effectively is 33.1%. Effective is 33.1%. What is 33.1% of 5,500? 10% 550, 20% 1100, 30% 1650. 3% 165. 0.1%, 1% 55, 0.1% 5.5. Clear? 30% 1650, 3% 165, 1% 55, so 0.1% 5.5. Then we will do it. So I hope you might have thoroughly enjoyed the session, guys. Please do let me the feedback of the session in the comment box as well. How are the questions what we have targeted? We will keep on targeting the compound interest questions in the tomorrow's marathon session as well, which is going to be more than 1.5 hours. So at least you can expect 25 questions with me more on the compound interest. Quality questions. You know, I generally don't take the very easy problems. So this is what is the planning from our side. So see you guys in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.